We support the FM companies in and around the city and the home counties with their glass problems and their issues that they have on a daily basis. We've probably got a core of 60 engineers out in the field. We get to know them because we're training with them and bringing their skill set up. The average service is about 10 years, and they've got a broad spectrum, so everything from fire screens to facade work to fused type glass or creative art walls which need exacting sort of 1mm standard. I've always been an installer. We've installed hundreds of thousands of square metres in and across the country. We've had businesses where we've manufactured, so we worked on at St Pancras, for instance. We worked on the Royal Festival Hall, so some keyline projects. We've installed some really nice stuff. So recently we worked at the University of Westminster. We've also done the Maths University, so it's big glass rain screens, and we also support that. We like to support buildings where there might be some critical stuff, so we're changing stuff on the 40th floor on some of the keyline buildings in London, cranes, road closures, so we get involved in the whole logistics on behalf of the client, so they don't have to worry about it. It's a stress-free installation process for them. We're looking after GSH, Norlands, the Mighties, Broadgate Estates, who have all got some really nice properties in London. We look after at least 4 of the RBS buildings in the city. Visa down in Paddington. We look after the universities, so University of Westminster. We maybe get 10 call-outs a day from various things, because obviously they've got students. They want to feel safe. A lot of retail, so we look after chains like Wagamama's on a daily basis. Anything that's got a lot of throughput from the public, so the public coming in and out, and they've got to keep operational. So keeping operational and safe is really key. So that's where we're picking up work, and I think that the more we do, the more they're referring us on. So a lot of these guys are telling their fabric managers, yeah, these guys are really good.